5 home remedies for damaged hair. Each and every hair has 3 layers: the inner fiber called medulla, the middle layer called cortex, and the surrounding the medulla and the outer layer called cuticle that protects the hair from damage. When the cuticle of the hair gets damaged, the hair becomes dry and loses shine and luster. One sign of the damaged hair includes brittle or harsh texture, split and luster, breakage, itchy scalp, and no elasticity. Also, damaged hair gets tangled easily and can be difficult to manage and style. Your hair can become damaged for a variety of reasons. Some common causes include excessive washing with harsh alcohol and soaps, exposure to dry and hot climate, use of heating tools like blow dryer, excessive styling, exposure to harmful ultraviolet rays, sun rays, and swimming in chlorinated water, lack of moisture in the hair, use of chemicals, and friction due to sleeping on cotton pillowcase, and stress. One can also have damaged hair due to certain medical conditions like underweight thyroid. Number 1 is olive oil. Olive oil is best and good for damaged hair, packed with fatty acid, several antioxidants, and vitamin E. Olive oil heals the damaged layer by sealing the cuticle with moisture. It also promotes the hair from further damage. Apply warm olive oil on your scalp and hair shafts. Massage gently on a few minutes and then add your hair with a warm tool. Leave it for about 30 minutes overnight. Then cover your hair with a warm towel. Finally, shampoo and condition your hair. Follow this remedy at least once a week. Number 2 is avocado. Being rich in vitamins, fat, proteins, essential fatty acid, and natural oils, avocados can help to repair your damaged hair. Avocado coats and softens the hairs to keep it hydrated and flexible. It can also prevent free radical damage to your hairs in the future. Depending upon the length of your hair, mix the pulp of half to 1 ripe avocado and 1 to 2 of the teaspoon of olive oil in a blender until you get a thin, smooth consistency. Apply it on your ears and hairs. Leave it on for about 1 hour and then wash it out. Number 3 is eggs. Eggs can provide nutrients and nourishment that can be depleted from damaged hair. Egg yolks have proteins, minerals, and essential fatty acids that can nourish the hair, strands, and impart a natural shine. Plus, the enzyme in the egg whites help to clean your hair and scalp. Massage one whisked egg on your scalp and hair for about 5 minutes. Cover with a shower cap and leave it for about 20 minutes. Then rinse it off with cool water and shampoo as usual. Number 4 is aloe vera. Aloe vera is good for repairing damaged hair. Its hemetic properties can suit the hair shaft. It also contains enzymes, amino acids, and vitamin C and E that are good for your hairs. Apply some aloe vera juice directly on your damaged hairs. Leave it about for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with warm water. Number 5 is coconut oil. Coconut oil is a pack full of nutrients that are good for your hair. It easily penetrates deep into your hair shaft, in turn preventing the cuticle from becoming damaged and making your hair healthy. Massage your scalp every day or at least 3 times a week for about 5 minutes with warm coconut oil. Leave it in overnight. Wash your hair and the next morning with a mild shampoo.
Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.